Today we'll talk about how can you enable show image previews on your Slack app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on preferences, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. Come here to show image previews here. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show image previews enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.